Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Aifeex.com or Aifeex. Now if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app on your phone that will help you invest. So Aifeex is an investment platform. So as you can see, we have it here on their website. They claim to have thousands of cryptocurrencies, intelligent investments, and decisions. So if you're wondering if this is legit, this is their site right here. And so far, it doesn't raise so many red flags. However, their website seems to be a bit sketchy since they don't have support. So if you go over here to click download, it will automatically download. And right here, it's only available on iOS and Android. However, it is better on iOS or Apple. So if you go right here on Trustpilot, as you can see, they have only 3 reviews, but they're rated 4.0, 4 out of 5 stars, which is great. So as you can see, this person said so far it's profiting. Best Aifeex AI trading platform. It has been 6 months, blah blah blah. And the 2 users that have said something about it have said that it is really great. So I think there's no harm in trying this app since there are so far no red flags upon its arrival. So if you want to go ahead and try this app out, it seems to be legit. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.